Shedshop. Today, I got quite a few of these cans. Can't remember what's in them. What was in them? There's nothing in them now. They've been cleaned and washed out. But I want to make something with them, rather than just crushing them, sticking them in the bin, sending them off to recycling. So stick around. We'll make something nice out of it, rather than it just being crushed, squashed and thrown away. Yes, it might get turned into something else, but let's turn it into something that you might like, someone else might like. I won't do a lot of waffling in this video, unlike my others. Let's stick on some music and watch away. Watch your fingers and make sure you don't cut yourself. A few simple tools: scissors, rule, marker. This one's an erasable marker. It's a whiteboard pen. Knife if you want to, but you can make it with scissors, and I use some needle-nose pliers because I don't like cutting my fingers. Cans can hurt. Cans can hurt. Cans can hurt. They can do. Oh, that's a lot of can there. Stick around and let's see what we make. Go. What can you do with a simple drinks can? Make yourself a nice little candle holder. Saves it going in the bin, right? Recycle it into something different. Spray it. Not with a candle in it, obviously. Quick and simple, 5-minute mate. I marked it out, you don't need to. You can literally just go in and snippety snip snip snip. I cut it off from the top with the knife, But the fact is, you can just go with scissors and snippity snip snip snip. Thanks for watching Aisy's Little Shed Shop. Hope you enjoyed the video. Yes, it's called Shed Shop. Like, subscribe, click the notification button, and you'll get the next video when it comes out. Hopefully soon. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.